Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can secure our Google Chrome browser by just making or doing a few simple steps in our device. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our Google Chrome browser, and we can do that by simply making a double click on it. And then once this Google Chrome is now open, all we need to do is just to go to the upper right corner, and you will see there three dot icon, so please click on that. And then if you scroll down a little bit at the bottom part, you will see the settings, so please click on settings. And here in the left pane, you will see here the option for privacy and security, so please click on privacy and security options. And the moment you do that, you will see here the safety check section, the privacy and security. So here we will run a security check by just clicking this go to safety check option here. So Chrome regularly checks to make sure your browser has the safest settings. Will let you know if anything needs your review. So please click on go to safety check, and then you will see here the no compromise passwords. If all these options here have green check marks on them, then that means that there are no actions needed to be done. So nothing else needs your attention at the moment. This has a green check mark, so this is good to go. So the next thing we need to do is to go again with the three dots icon, and then go with the help. Let's look for help option here, this one, and let's go with about Google Chrome. So this will update our Google Chrome browser and see if our Google Chrome is up to date or what version it has. Okay, so all we need to do here is to update our Google Chrome regularly, and after this updating Chrome session here is done, once that's reached to 100%, then we can proceed with the next one. So assuming this is done, let's now go to the security and privacy, or the privacy and security option. So please click on that, and then let's go back, or let's with the same window that we had earlier, let's proceed with the security options under privacy and security. So please click on that. And then once you see that under safe browsing option, you'll see here the standard protection and enhanced protection option. Once you see that your selected option is standard protection, then you're good to go. But it's better to choose the enhanced protection, where it offers real-time AI-powered protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. Okay, so once you're done with this one, all we need to do is to click this plus sign here and visit anything or any site that you have in mind. For example, let us have this example. Okay, so whenever we visit a website, all we need to do is to click on this icon here, and then let us view site information. And whenever we click this one, and this will tell us if the connection is secured, or if the cookies and site data, or the options for the cookies and site data and the site settings, and about this page. Okay, so to know more about the page, you can just click this icon and see if this is a safe website, or if this is secured. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go again with the three dots icon here in the upper right corner, and then let's go again with our settings option, and here we need to go to the advanced option. So if you don't see any advanced options, then you go directly with the reset settings option. So in here, you have here the restore settings to their original default. So please click on that. And then you will see another window coming up on your screen. So here you have to reset settings. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies. So if you click on this reset settings button, then it will reset everything except for the bookmarks, history, and save passwords, because they won't be affected. Okay, so after that, you can close your Chrome browser, and then you can open it again, and then your Google Chrome browser will now be secured. Okay, so I hope you learned something from that video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.